Hey everyone, Blake Sloan here. Just want to share some exciting news and really my first of its kind here in the Myrtle Beach area. And I wanted to share the real estate scholarship that we're offering where we're going to pay for your real estate school. That's right. We're so confident in our systems, our processes, our training, which are unmatched, not just here locally, but across the country, that we're willing to pay for your real estate school for you. Obviously, there's a little bit of details to that. The person that goes to that we sponsor and pay for has to obviously work with our brokers for a certain amount of time, have to obviously have an interview and make sure they're qualified. But here's the deal. Most agents, the hard part is not getting licensed, right? I understand though, that's a huge barrier of entry because a lot of times it takes money. It's not cheap, it's pretty expensive. Then you have to take 2 weeks off. Then you have to obviously block out time. You don't have income coming in. So we're here to help sponsor you with our exclusive scholarship. And so we'll pay for you to go through school. But more importantly, here's the reality of the numbers. When most people come out of real estate school, 90% of those people fail the first year, which is crazy. And the 10% that make it, right? 90% of those fail the second year. And these are national numbers that you can look up anywhere. But here's the crazy part. Of the agents that make it past those first 2 years, the average agent in our local area sells 4.3 homes per year, which is terrible. It's horrendous. And so not only is getting your license important, but having the right tools, the right training, the right guidance, that's what's helped you have massive success in real estate. And that's what we're here to help you do. So in our program, we have 100 Days of Greatness program. We have amazing things that we teach through scripting, through leads, through massive investment, through mentorship, with hands-on training to help you make sure that you not only get through real estate school, but we're so confident in our system, we'll invest in you to get you through that, but we'll train you up to make sure you get the real numbers you want. Our agents first year, a lot of them sold over 30 houses. A lot of them their second year, 60 plus houses. Our top agent last year, over 120 houses sold on their own, right? That's separate from the entire team. And so if you want to know more about how that works, make sure to either check out the box below, sign up for a free coaching consultation, learn how it works, but also you can just Google Sloan Realty Group Scholarship. And more than happy to help you out with that. If you have any questions, want instant information on that, reach out, call us, 843-808-SOLD.